Good evening, everyone. This is Shuriteja, and today I am going to perform IELTS English Speaking Mock Test number 1. And this test is going to have 3 parts. And today I am going to answer the third question of part number 1. And the discussed topic of part number 3 is called local business. And now let's get started. And the third question of part number 3 is, how do large shopping malls and commercial complexes influence the local businesses, and in what ways? The mega or large shopping malls and the commercial complexes which are located near or at the vicinity of a local business affects the local business more in a negative way than in a positive way. And these are how. First, the mega shopping malls or some of the complexes houses a wide range of products, ranging from the small products like groceries and etc. to a very large products like electronic devices and etc. So as a result, it houses more and more products, and even some of the branded companies in these products, like for example, the branded companies in electronic gadgets like Samsung and etc., come to invest and come to set up their complex in these complex commercial complex centers, or even in these mega shopping malls, and in order to draw a more and more profit for themselves. Because if some of these branded companies invest in these local business, they may not find profit, because in local business, you see, the centers are not as big and not as widely popular when compared to the shopping malls and some of the complexes. So here it impacts the seller and even the consumer. Here the local businesses may not be as big, or even may or may not be as big as the large shopping malls and complexes. So as a result, it becomes difficult in order to host a branded company in there. And even if we host a branded company in that particular local business, it may not even result in a good fruit for the local business. It may result in profit for local business, but it may not result in profit for those of the branded items. So in order to gain profit, these branded items house their complexes in these big shopping malls or large and mega commercial complexes. So as a result, more people tend to attract towards these branded products rather than some of the local made shirts and etc., or any other products which are made locally, because the branded can assure you long lasting durability and etc., which are needed by a particular customer than that of the local business. And one more problem with this is, the local business may not provide as much as range of items which a shop or a large shopping mall houses. So as a result, more people naturally tend to go to shopping malls rather than going to some local business centers. So it is a very major flaw in some of these local business. And as a result, the local business administrators are forced to leave out of their business or come out of their business because of bankruptcy and etc. Because you see, if there is any large shopping mall near those local businesses, more people prefer to go to that shopping mall rather than these local business centers. So as a result, more profit will be gained by those shopping malls, and less customers and less money will be generated in that of these local businesses. So as a result, it will be quite difficult to generate money in order to pay the debts, or even some of the requirements, or even to take some goods to that of which are required by an individual person. And as a result, the products in the local business become outdated or even expire in terms, so that many of the people may not prefer going there. But whereas you come to shopping malls or some of the complexes, here all stock will be fresh, because many people prefer to buy here. So many people go to shopping malls rather than coming here. So as a result, some of the owners of the local business are forced to come out of business because of bankruptcy, or even some of the financial issues and etc. And some of them are made to join in those shopping complexes, which loses both their flexibility and freedom. And it even reduces employment opportunity, because many of the people working in a big shopping complex may not be local people, but the people which work under those branded companies. So as a result, the employment opportunity would be decreased in a particular area. So I sincerely believe that big mega shopping malls or even the commercial complexes may even not only affect the local businesses which are located in our immediate vicinity, but they even influence the economy which we produce in our particular ward or even our particular street. And even they may even show effect on our own living as well. So thank you.